Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate supply chain management with Oracle, full guide step by step clearly. Understanding the fundamentals of supply chain management is essential before diving into automation. Identify your key supply chain processes that could benefit from automation. Gather data on your current supply chain performance to establish a baseline. Research the specific Oracle solutions tailored for supply chain management. Consider the Oracle Cloud SCM as a comprehensive suite for streamlining operations. Evaluate your organization's needs to determine which Oracle applications will best suit your requirements. Integrate Oracle SCM Cloud with your existing ERP systems for seamless data flow. Begin the implementation process by setting up the necessary infrastructure. Train your team members on how to use the Oracle supply chain management tools effectively. Utilize the data analytics features in Oracle to gain insights into supply chain performance. Automate inventory management by utilizing Oracle's real-time data tracking capabilities. Configure procurement processes within Oracle to enhance efficiency and reduce manual tasks. Set up automated order processing to minimize delays and errors in order fulfillment. Leverage Oracle's supplier relationship management tools to maintain effective communication with partners. Monitor the performance of your supply chain regularly using Oracle's analytical dashboards. Adjust your automation strategies as needed based on performance metrics and changing business needs. Keep an eye on future updates and features offered by Oracle to stay ahead in supply chain management automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.